Hi everyone, in this video, we will talk about how to use SAP MRC's Guide for Marketing Automation. So first, what is SAP MRCs? SAP MRCs is an omni-channel customer engagement platform that helps businesses automate and personalize marketing across email, SMS, web, mobile apps, and social media, all based on real-time customer behavior. Now, first on getting started, log in to MRCs or sign up for an account. Then set up your company profile, brand settings, time zone, and user permissions. Now, connect your data. Import customer list manually or integrate via API, CRM system, or e-commerce platforms like Shopify or Magento. Now make sure you bring in key fields like email, first name, last name, purchase history, and preferences. Now, to build your contact list and segments, first go to contacts, then go to segments. Create segments based on customers' attributes like location, recent purchases, last engagement date, and loyalty program status. Use dynamic segments that automatically update as customer data changes. Example, segment customers who bought something in the last 30 days but haven't opened your last two emails. Now, to create a marketing campaign, email campaigns, go to Channels, Email Campaigns, then Create New Campaign. Choose between regular or automated campaigns. Use the drag and drop editor to design emails with personalization, product recommendations, and dynamic content based on user behavior. Now for other channels, like SMS, create short messages for quick promotion or alerts, for push notifications, which is for mobile apps, and web push for browser notifications, for desktop, and also for mobile users. Now automate customer journeys. Go to Automation Center, then set up automated workflows like welcome series for new customers, abandoned cart reminders, birthday or anniversary greetings, and win-back campaigns for inactive users. Some workflow example is first to trigger is customer signs up for a newsletter. Then the action is you send a welcome email immediately and then wait 2 days. Another example is wait 2 days. And then the action is send product recommendation email. Now for personalized content, use predictive recommendations to suggest products or contents based on past behaviors. Insert conditional blocks. Show different banners based on gender. Then display different offers depending on loyalty level. Now, analyze the performance. Use analytics, then campaign reports to track open rates, click-through rates, conversions, and revenue attribution. Visual dashboards help you quickly see what's working and what needs adjusting. Now optimize an A and B test. Set up A and B tests within your emails or automation journeys. Test subject lines, test CTA button colors, then test sending times. MRCs automatically shows you which variant wins and implements it. Now integrate with other tools. MRCs connects with Shopify, Magento, Salesforce, SAP, Commerce Cloud, first Facebook ads, and Google Ads, and lastly, loyalty programs and customer data platform. Now, some of the best practices for a success is first, Always keep customer data clean and updated. Second, personalize messages as much as possible. Third, don't overload users with too many communication. And lastly, monitor reports weekly to fine tune your strategies. And that's basically it.